It's a Christmas celebration, so why not dance a little?
Christmas time.